Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the up/menu button. After the menu opens, you should see the watch face option, and by default it should be selected. Once it's selected, press the GPS button to enter. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces by pressing the up and down button. Scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, press the GPS button, and here you should see the option called apply. Make sure it's selected and then press the GPS button to confirm, and the watch face will be applied. As you can see, you can also customize watch faces. So let's open the menu again, select the watch face, press GPS, select the watch face you want to apply on your watch, press GPS, and then scroll down, select customize and press the GPS button. And here you can change the widget, then you can press GPS, you can change the second widget, press GPS, third widget, GPS, fourth widget, GPS, and once you're done, the changes will be applied and the watch face will be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.